Let's make this simple but classy dress. Hello everyone, welcome back to Jegela Apparel. So in today's video, we're going to be making this amazing dress that you have here. Okay, so the fabric we'll be needing is the lace, the doll face. Okay, this is for the lining. It's called the doll face. Okay, because the lace is a see-through fabric, and that is why I am using a doll face, so that it will not expose the skin, the body. Okay, and this is the trimming that I'm making use of. You can see this white trimming, right? So, and obviously an invisible zip. So let's start sewing. So the first thing is I'm going to cut the fabric. I'm drafting it directly on the fabric itself, so we're going to be cutting it. So just go ahead and take the body measurement. The width of the neck, I'm making use of 3 inches. Okay, and the shoulder slope, don't forget. And then obviously take the body circumference. Okay, so I added just 1.5 inches for the sewing allowance. Okay, that's for the seam allowance. I added 1.5 inches for it. So we're going to make this quickly. Don't worry, it's something you can actually do. It's very easy. And for the depth of the neck, I used 4 inches. Okay, because it's going to be a little bit high. It's a round neck, so just made use of 4 inches. Okay, and I just placed the front on the back, and I added 1.5 inches for this zip allowance, and it's also going to have a slit at the back. Okay, so cut it out, cut open the back so that we can attach the zip. Alright, so I'm just gonna head to cut the sleeve. It's a very small sleeve, and then I've already cut out the lining, so I'm going to be sewing the lining to the lace fabric itself. Just going to turn it in. So after that, it's very simple. Just turn in your lining so that we can start to attach the zip. You can see I've already gone ahead to attach the invisible zip. Okay, if you don't know how to attach an invisible zip, in another video I'm going to teach you how to accurately attach an invisible zip. Okay, so if you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up so that I can reach more people. Alright, so the next thing is I'm going to attach the shoulder. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up, as you can see me do. Just make sure the shoulder, the fabric aligns, so that by the time you sew it, it can come out neat. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and sew the shoulder together. So after that, before we attach the sleeve, okay, I'm going to be attaching the first trimming, which is on the chest. Okay, on the upper chest. Now I used 8 inches from the shoulder down. Okay, I measured 8 inches. Right, so directly on that 8 inches, that is where the length of the trimming will get to, and then go ahead and sew. I used the same color of thread for the front, and I used blue for the back. Okay, as you can see, and that is why we have white thread in front and then blue thread at back. So now I go ahead to join the two sides. Okay, join the two sides. So you can see the two sides has been joined. So afterwards, I just went ahead to attach the sleeve. Very simple dress. It won't take so much time. So I went ahead to attach the sleeve. Make sure the right side to the right side when you are attaching your sleeve, and then very easy, as you can see the sleeve has been attached. So the next thing we are going to do now is I'm going to trim this down, trim it. So after trimming, okay, I'm going to fold it in. Okay, we're going to tape it in just a little tiny bit, and afterwards measure 1 inches. Okay, measure 1 inches high. So after measuring 1 inches high, then you place your trimming on it and sew round the same way I sewed it on the upper chest. The same way you're going to sew this round. Okay, make sure you use the same color of thread for the upper part, and then you can now use the color of the fabric for the down. Alright, so that the colors can match perfectly. Alright, so you can see the way I folded the trimming. Okay, please just watch what I'm doing, you will get it.
Source it fast, beauty and style, a glow that lasts. From hoodies, tees to skincare dreams, Jacqueline brings life to all your schemes. Whenever you day, like Jacqueline, your way. Whenever you go, like Jacqueline, your flow. Need your fabrics, we'll source it fast. Beauty and style, a glow that lasts. From hoodies, tees to skincare dreams, Jacqueline brings life to all your schemes. Whenever you day, Jacqueline, your way.
And then, okay, so we're almost done attaching the trimming. You can see the way I folded it in. Alright, you can see the way I folded it in, neatly folded. And then by the time you're done with this, you're gonna have a very good, perfect dress. Very easy, very simple. Alright, so the same way we've sewn this first part, we're going to sew the upper part as well. Okay, you just make sewing your seam on the two parts, down and up. And this is it. This is what we have. Can you see how beautiful it is? Very simple, very beautiful. You can wear this to church, wear this anywhere, you're good to go. Alright, so if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do that, and then hit the like button. If you have any question regarding this dress, please ask your question. I'll be glad to respond to your question. Please come back for the next video. Thank you. Bye.